How to add an AI chatbot to your business website. Now, think about what happens when a potential customer lands on your website outside of business hours. Now, they have a question that could be about your pricing, it could be about your availability, your service area, or anything else. Now, there's no one to answer it, so they do one of two things. They leave and look for another competitor whose website answers their question, or they fill out a contact form and wait, which means the buying momentum they had in that moment is gone by the time you get back to them. Now, the window between a visitor having a question and losing interest is genuinely quite short. Studies on website behavior consistently show that response time is one of the biggest factors in whether an inquiry converts to a customer. Businesses that respond to web inquiries within 5 minutes convert significantly higher than those that respond hours later. Now, most small businesses can't staff instant response around the clock, of course. Now, an AI chatbot on your website is going to solve this whole problem. It answers common questions instantly, it qualifies visitors who are ready to take action, captures contact information from people who want to hear more, and hands off complex situations to you with enough context that you can follow up all around intelligently. Now, all of this happens automatically 24 hours a day without you having to be available. Now, this video is a complete guide to adding an AI chatbot to your small business website in 2026, which platforms are worth using, how to set up one properly, how to train it on your business, and how to make sure it's helping rather than frustrating your customers. So let's get into it. Now, before we get into the setup, it is important to be clear about what a well-configured chatbot actually does and where its limitations are. Because the gap between what chatbot marketing promises and what the technology delivers in practice is where most implementation failures happen. Now, a properly configured AI chatbot is excellent at answering specific factual questions about your business. It could be your hours, your location, your pricing, and if you're willing to share it, your refund policy. What a chatbot is not good at is handling nuanced, complex, or emotionally sensitive situations. A customer with a complaint, a prospect with an unusual requirement, or maybe a visitor who needs genuine reassurance before making a significant purchase. Now, these interactions are going to be needing a human. The best chatbot implementation are honest about this limitation and have a clear, smooth handoff mechanism built in. So, with those expectations set, let's look at the platforms with the setup process. Now, the best platform that you can use for a whole chatbot is going to be TIDIO.com. Now, TIDIO is the strongest recommendation for most small businesses starting with chatbots. And the reason for that is, it has a free tier that's genuinely functional, covering basic chatbot flows, live chat capabilities, and email integrations, and paid plans starting at around $29 a month that add AI-powered responses, more automation, and higher volume limits. Now, the setup is very beginner friendly, the interface is pretty clean, and it integrates directly with the most major website platforms, including Wix, WordPress, Shopify, and even Squarespace. Now, TIDIO's AI feature called Lyra is trained on your website. Okay, so this Lyra agent is going to handle up to 67% of customer service with an AI agent that actually acts, decides, and knows how and when to hand off. Okay, it's pretty straightforward and it's pretty coexistent. Now, moving on, there's also Intercom with its Fin AI agent, which is the strongest option for businesses that want more sophisticated conversation handling and are willing to pay with it. So to create it, you can simply go ahead and start for free. It's pretty simple and straightforward. All you're going to do is you're going to come over here. TIDIO is going to go ahead and set you up. Okay. Now, the login process is really simple. All you're going to be doing is choosing which email provider you want to go with. So you can sign up with your Facebook, or you can even go ahead with your work email. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my email as so. Once we do that, here is your password, and here is going to be our website. So you can add these things, and of course, make sure that your website is not empty. Once that is done, you can click on Get Started for free, and it is going to take you straight in. Of course, it will send you a verification email onto your email, so do make sure to apply that and quickly work with that for yourself. And before you open up your setup interface for any chatbot, you are going to want to make sure to work along with it and use it efficiently. So let me show you what it looks like once we go in. Now in TIDIO, as you can see, you have to personalize your whole experience. So my main goal for using TIDIO, of course, automate my support system with the AI agent. Then let's say I'm going to go with a website via live chat. You can give your URL. What is your primary business model? Let's say it's an e-commerce store, and let's go with the beauty, personal care, and grooming. Click on next. Choose how many visitors your website attracts. You can also say what platforms powers your website. I'm going to go with a custom website. How many customer support agents do you have? Let's do all of that and click on next. Now it says syncing your website with Lyra, the AI agent. Okay, this is where the AI agent starts its working and truly takes you in with its correct, concurrent features that allow you to go ahead and give you a proper, 7-day. Now here, you're going to go back off from there. And right here, you can see you have the Lyra.ai agent. And this is where you're going to work with the agent chatbot. Okay, this is where the actual good stuff starts. So once we're here, you can see add knowledge by providing the URL. Now it will go ahead and see how our knowledge works. You can also test the Lyra.ai agent as you go on, and also install a chat widget, which you can work with. Now here, let's say we click on test Lyra. And once you click on test Lyra, what's going to happen is it's basically going to load things up. And now you can go ahead and talk to it as you want. So I want help. Okay. Now, as you can see, Lyra, as an AI chatbot agent, it will talk to you in AI terms. So what can you answer questions on? So, you can test it out. You can see what it will actually tell you. Will it tell you the right things? Will it tell you what you want to know, etc.? Now, here, as you can see, I can ask questions about the products, shipping, returns and refunds, payments, account management, company policies, and general support. Exactly what an online e-commerce store needs. Okay, exactly what I am looking for. So once this is done and you have your agent fully set it up and good to go, from here on out, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and configure. But once you go and configure, you can go ahead and connect it to wherever you want. But if you want the full suite, you are going to want to install the chat widget for making it to your customers. And of course, you are going to want to upgrade it because you can't have this on your website on the free plan. But once you've added your website for, Lyra as a data source, you're going to give them the website, what you want. So here is your website. As you can see, it will finish all the processing. And once all of that is done, you're good to go. So that is how you can set up an AI agent chatbot on your small business website in the easiest way. So if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.